This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering essentials. You need your VIN, a charged smartphone, active mobile data, and a Kia account. These let the service link to your vehicle. Once done, park safely and turn the ignition to ACC or on so the infotainment boots. Next, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, make sure the car's telematics module is awake, and open the Kia Connect app. This fast start prepares you to pair and register without delays. You now connect the app to the car. Sign into the Kia Connect app, verify your email, and choose Add Vehicle. In the car's head unit, go to Settings, then Connectivity, then Kia Connect or Connected Services. Initiate registration. When the unit shows a PIN or pairing request, enter it in the app or accept the Bluetooth prompt and grant requested permissions like location and notifications. Make sure both devices stay awake and wait for confirmation that the vehicle ID and telematics subscription are recognized. Finish activation by accepting terms and selecting a trial or subscription. Confirm the vehicle details shown in the app. Once active, test core functions like lock/unlock, remote start, and vehicle status to verify connectivity. If features fail, first reboot the phone and cycle the car ignition, then reattempt pairing. Make sure the app and head unit firmware are updated and double-check the VIN entered. If problems persist, contact your dealer or Kia support. They can confirm telematics provisioning or push activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.